Mission, service, and purpose. Hi, I'm David Rhodes, and welcome to April's Editor's Opinion. We do a readership survey every year, and we've been seeing a lot of requests for more information on recruitment and retention. But really, the problem with recruitment and retention is that it's a symptom instead of a problem. It's a symptom of us not focusing enough on mission, service, and purpose. A good friend of mine in Florida led a research group to study these new employees in the fire service to see what it is they want. And unanimously, across the board, they wanted purpose. And so it's up to us as fire service leaders to focus on the mission of our organization, which should be to save lives and property, and forget all the corporate jargon and all the nonsense. Just keep it simple, something that our people can remember. And then from the time we bring them in, teach them about what it is to serve our community. Talk about servant leadership. Talk about how important it is not to only master the craft, but to be available to solve all the types of citizens' problems, no matter what they are. And then that will instill in them a purpose and hopefully capture them to a lifelong career in the fire service. But if we don't connect those dots, and if we don't give the new generation purpose and take care of them as employees and as members of our organizations, whether paid or volunteer, then they're going to go away because there's just nothing in it for them. A friend of mine had as a brand new recruit at the station. He told me, he was asked, "Captain, why do you spend your off days teaching at other fire departments and doing training?" He goes, "I don't understand it. Is it for money or what?" And the captain replied that, "No, it's not always for money. I get paid for some of them, but a lot of them are just expenses only." And the young kid couldn't understand why he was doing it. And he said, "Well, I like to learn and I like to serve the fire service." And the kid just said, "Well," he goes, "I guess you look at this as a career. I look at it as an experience." And so the kid was doing great. He still is doing great. But how do we capture that? We've got to connect the dots. The mission is service, and service is our purpose. Once we do that, we'll capture them and we'll have them for 20, 30 years. So, as my good friend Brian Brush says, if we focus on the citizens, serving the citizens, and the victims of these calls, all the rest of it will take care of itself. Thanks.